Alright, today we're going to be making my beanless chili. Well, as close as we can today because we're out of bell pepper. I've got 1 pan that I'll start the sauce in, 1 pan that I'll cook the meat in. I'm preheating both of those. I season the meat as I brown it, and I season the sauce as I start it. That way when the meat's done cooking, I can drain it, put it right in the sauce, and the chili's ready. So, be back momentarily. Alright, on the meat side, while we're browning it up, I'm going to add chili powder. Some coffee rub. Half a pack, well, not quite half a pack of Tex-Mex seasoning. Little cayenne pepper. Some minced onions. And some garlic. That's probably about a 1.5 cloves worth. Alright. This helps get the flavor into the meat. Much like if you were to slow cook the chili all together, how everything kind of marinates together. This helps achieve that. But it makes for a much faster meal by seasoning the meat and all. Normally, I'd have a couple of large bell peppers and a couple of large onions chopped up that I would toss in there. This was kind of a spur of the moment thing. On this side over here, I'm going to use crushed and diced tomatoes. I'm going to use diced tomatoes with green chilies. The rest of the Tex-Mex of that packet. Just a little bit of cayenne. Another can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. A little bit of minced onion. A couple pinches of coffee rub. And a few dashes of chili powder. Alright. Now, I'm going to stir this together. Boy, it's already smelling like chili. Now this is 5 pounds of hamburger. Pardon me. Got some of that chili powder in my nose. Around the lid. All right. Okay, I'm gonna let the meat brown and the sauce simmer until the meat's done. When the meat's done, I'll drain it. Actually, I'll bring the sauce on up to about 3 or 4. When the meat's brown, I'll drain it, put it in the sauce. Everything should be good and hot and ready to eat, and the flavors should have already been blended together because we've mixed the same seasonings in both of them. So I'll bring you back when we go to do that. Almost forgot. Needed to add the rest of the garlic in there. Stir that around. See, that's where when you slow cook something, all the flavors get to blend together nicely. Well, this is a way to achieve that same taste without slow cooking. Alright, I'll be back when these are ready. Alright, this is actually some chili sauce from when we did some chili beans, store-bought can. I'm going to go ahead and add that in too as well, just to have some extra sauce. Although I'm really hoping that all this will hold the meat in this pot. All right, I'm gonna wipe down the counter and stuff. Actually, here, let's show you what this is starting to look like. See here. See how that's looking like a really nice sauce. Now, and the meat over here is browning up nicely as well. So, we'll be back when it's ready to add. Okay, meat was browned, drained. Now we're going to come over here and just add it on in here. A little bit at a time so I don't end up overflowing this pot. Alright. Yep, there we go. It all goes in. Good, good. Bring you on over here. Let you see. There we go. Nice, quick, easy, beanless chili. Typically it takes no more than 20 minutes for me to make this. I'm going to reduce the heat and let it simmer probably for about another 10 minutes because honestly it's only been about 10 minutes to brown the meat and put everything together. So I'll bring you back after it's ready, show you what it looks like after it's simmered in, and then we'll, me and my lovely wife will eat us a nice dinner. we go. Beautiful. Nice. Hearty. Delicious. 20-minute chili. With the flavor that is as if you cooked it all day. Now, what I'm going to do, let's go ahead. I'm going to get us some bowls. Pay no attention to the mess where it's drizzling on the stove. I will wipe it up off camera. Now, my wife likes hers with crackers. I like to use pork skins and scoop mine into it that way, as well as just eating it right out the bowl. But I hope you enjoyed the video. The recipe I'm going to be putting in the description will be for fresh ingredients, but you can always substitute minced onions and stuff like that. I will also add the bell pepper in the list of ingredients, even though it's not in this one. It really does taste better with the bell pepper in it. My wife even agrees. So
I just forgot to buy it.
I hope you all enjoy. Have a blessed one. Bye-bye.